Hi, my name is Ramona Hernandez, and these are my 3 takeaways from this course. So my first takeaway was how to create a learning objective from a content standard through the help of Bloom's. So prior to this class, I had minimal knowledge of level of Bloom's. I had seen the circle, but I didn't really know the depth of knowledge I do now. I understand now that each color represents a different level. Within the level, there's levels and they all connect to each other, and you need them and you need to understand it to make an effective learning objective. So I'm really grateful that I know this because I know I'm going to be using this in my future. My second takeaway was learning how to make an effective lesson plan by backwards design. So prior to this course, I had zero knowledge of what backwards design is. But now I know the importance of working through backwards design. Through backwards design, we know our end goal and we can work our way through our lesson plan and really focus on what we want our students to know. So what's important for us, for our students to know, and we can focus on that rather than just repeating ourselves throughout the lesson plan. We can make an effective, engaging, and an encouraging lesson for our students through backwards design. And my final takeaway was incorporation of UDL. So prior to this class, I had no idea what Universal Design for Learning was. I had an understanding of we want to include others, incorporate others, but never how to facilitate those needs of others. So through UDL, I was able to have a deeper understanding of the different type of needs there are, the multiple intelligence, and how to facilitate those for my students. I really liked how we incorporated UDL in our everyday classroom lessons we had with Dr. DeWalt, and it was really just insightful. So yeah, those are my 3 takeaways. Thank you for listening.